If you are looking for the ultimate pet grooming kit, you are going to absolutely love this. This is from Pet Union. They sent me this to do an unboxing video for you. And there is so much great stuff in here. You get 2 scissors, 4 guiding combs, styling comb. I'm going to show you everything in a second. Nail clipper. It is 12 pieces. Great packaging as well. So I took some stuff out of the box first to kind of go through it for you guys. So this is the actual razor right here. Super easy to turn on. This is adjustable as well. You have the bottom here that will plug in, so you get your little plug-in charger right here. Super nice. You got these different blades here, so you got you got about 4 different blades here, which is great. This comes with a little brush to brush out that, and then you get this awesome comb, 2 pairs of scissors. So this one has like the little serrated one. This is just a super pair. Great quality on all of this stuff. And then last but not least, you get the nail clipper and nail file. So this has everything that you could possibly need to do a great job grooming. So if you're looking for great grooming stuff, definitely check this out. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks to the brand for sending me this.